Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial on how to change the video quality of a video on YouTube. Sometimes we may experience buffering or poor video quality while watching a video, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to change the video quality on YouTube. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your device. Step 2. Choose a video you want to watch. Step 3. In the video player, select the gear icon or settings option. It's located at the bottom right corner of the video player. Step 4. Tap quality. Here you will see different options for video quality, such as 144p, 240p, 360p, 480p, 720p, and 1080p. The higher the resolution, the better the video quality, but higher resolutions also require faster internet speeds. Step 5. Select your preferred video quality. If you have a slower internet connection or limited data, you may want to choose a lower quality option, such as 240p or 360p. On the other hand, if you have a fast internet connection and want the best video quality available, select 1080p or even 4K resolution if available. Step 6. If prompted, select the resolution quality for your current video. Sometimes YouTube automatically adjusts the video quality based on your internet connection, so you may see a pop-up asking you to confirm the video quality. Simply select the resolution you want and continue watching your video. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily change the video quality of any video on YouTube. Just remember, choosing a higher resolution may require a faster internet connection, so make sure you have the bandwidth to support it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.